Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I sculpt my eyebrows to make it look fuller, hairy and still natural. To begin with, I place my thin brush like this to understand from where my eyebrow should start, like this to know where the arch should go, and finally like this to know where it should end. Then I'll take a spoolie brush and I'll comb my eyebrows in the direction of my hair from outward to downward direction, just like this. I'm taking an angular brush. This is from pack 314 and my L'Oreal Brow Kit. This has one wax section and this pottery, and it also has a mirror. To begin, I'll take some product from the wax part in my brush and then I'll start underline my eyebrows, leaving few hairs from the front part, and I'm underlining my eyebrows. So first I'm underlining the lower part of my eyebrows, and now I'll repeat this for the upper part of my eyebrows, and again I've left some hairs in the front part that I'll fill in later. Also girls, this part is not mandatory. If you have dense hair, then you can skip this process and you can move ahead directly with applying powder that I'll show you in my next step. But as I have less hair on my brows, so I do this step so as to assure that powder stays longer. Also, I'll apply the leftover of the wax on my brush on my front brows. Now after I'm done with the wax, I'm taking the powder in my brush and dusting off any extra powder. And now I'll begin with underlining my lower eyebrows. Again, I have left the front portion of my brows, so I'm lining it all over on the top of the wax that I've already applied and removing any extra from my fingers just like this. So here I'm just underlining my brows. First I'll underline my lower brows and then I'll underline my upper brows just like this, and I'll be very particular when I'm underlining my arch so as to not mess the arch. It's important. Now done. Now I'll just fill in my eyebrows. So after you are done with underlining, you have to fill in your brows wherever you find any gaps. As I have less hair on my brows, I have a lot of gaps that I have to fill in. So girls, you would have noticed that still I have not filled in my front brows. For that, I'll take any extra product that would have left on my brush and then I'll just line my front brows just like this so as to give it a natural look. I don't want a lot of product on my front brows because it will start to look unnatural and dark. So after lining my front hairs individually, I'll just blend it off so as to give it a natural look just like this. Now it's time for my second brows. Now I'm going to repeat just the same process on my second brows. Also girls, here I'm using a brow kit. If you don't have one, then you can take a dark brown shade or a little lighter shade than the black from your eyeshadow palette and just repeat the same process. Also girls, never take a black eyeshadow directly on your brows because it will be very difficult to blend and your eyebrow will look unnatural. To make my brows look more prominent, I take a foundation or a concealer and I take the product in my concealer brush and I apply in the brow area just like this, and then I'll blend it well with my brush, or you can blend it well with your fingers. Here I am blending it with my brush and then I'll do tap tap with my fingers and I'll blend the product. So by this you can see how this brow is looking more highlighted than the second one. Now I repeat the same in my second brows. Yo. So this is my finished look. And this is how I sculpt my eyebrows. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. You can also follow me on Instagram with username Dreamboat Sneha. So I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.